Hello and welcome to Deck Builders San Antonio, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we're walking through a choice every deck project has to make. Which deck boards are right for your home? We'll keep it simple and focus on three common options: pressure-treated lumber, cedar, and composite decking. Let's start with pressure-treated wood. This is often the most budget-friendly choice and is widely available. When installed correctly, it can last many years, but it does move as it dries out, which can lead to some checking, cupping, or twisting over time. You'll need to plan on regular sealing or staining and basic upkeep to keep it looking good and protected from the elements. Cedar is the next step for many homeowners. It offers a warmer, more natural appearance and can be lighter to work with. Cedar has some natural resistance to decay, but it still needs protection from the Texas sun and weather. Expect to clean it regularly and apply coatings as needed if you want to maintain the color and surface condition. Composite decking changes the equation a bit. These boards are designed to resist rot, insects, and many of the moisture-related issues that affect traditional wood. You're mainly cleaning the surface instead of sanding or staining. Composite products like Trex offer consistent color and texture, which can be a big advantage if you want the deck to look more uniform over time. Even with composite, structure still matters. The joist spacing must match the manufacturer's recommendations, and board gaps have to account for expansion and contraction. Skipping those steps can lead to a bouncy feel or trapped water, no matter which material you choose. That's why planning the framing and layout alongside the board choice is so important. As you think about options, ask yourself a few questions. How much time do you realistically want to spend each year maintaining the deck surface? How long do you expect to stay in the home? Are you more concerned with initial cost or with future maintenance and appearance? There isn't one right answer, but your priorities will point clearly toward one material or another. You can reach our team at 210-485-5690 or visit toughdeckbuilderssanantonio.com if you'd like help comparing deck boards for your specific project. At Tough Deck Builders San Antonio, we match materials to the way you plan to use your outdoor space, so your deck stays comfortable, safe, and solid. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders San Antonio. If you're ready to move from ideas to a real plan, we're here to help you choose the deck boards that make the most sense for your backyard.